Health is wealth, like they say, and as a mom who is always on the go, I love to take out time to meal prep for the day or week, depending, so as to ensure I'm feeding myself and family wholesome and nutritional meals. I'm always happy to share healthy meal prep recipes with you guys, so let's go! Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video, it's all about healthy meal prep ideas, guys. We're going to be working on what I eat in a day. So we're going to be meal prepping, cooking, eating, and guys, you guys know we just came out from winter and it's been more like a hibernation, just eating, sleeping, working. That's basically all we did throughout winter. And if you've been following my channel, you know that my mom came. And of course, throughout my 3 kids, my mom never did omugwo for me. So she came prepared, guys. Since December till now, she's been the one taking care of the kitchen, cooking, feeding us, and your girl gained few pounds. Also, summer is right around the corner. We want to get this body on a summer body, guys, and taking care of your body, spirit, mind is so important. So I've been working more on what I like, what I put inside my system. It's all about making sure that whatever it is you're eating is balanced, is healthy. It's not just about summer body, guys. It's all about you feeling confident in your body. If you feel like you want to gain few pounds, definitely go for it. If you feel like you want to lose some pounds, definitely go for it, you guys. At the end of the day, it's all about how you feel inside your body and also your confidence level. I'm going to be showing you guys some healthy meal prep ideas. So it's going to be what I eat in a day, from breakfast to lunch to dinner. And you guys, I had to grab me a cup of coffee. I love to start my day with maybe a cup of coffee or my probiotics or my milkshake. It all depends. I haven't had coffee all week. I've been, working more on reducing the amount of coffee I take. Before, it used to be literally every day. If I miss coffee in the morning, best believe I'm going to reach for coffee in the afternoon or in the evening. But ever since we entered 2026, I've been working on my coffee intake, and it's Friday already and I can't believe I haven't had coffee all week, guys. This is my first cup of coffee for the week. I just woke up, I was craving coffee, so here we are. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, as we all know, and I love to make sure it's nutritious and healthy. And today I'm having oatmeal with some fruits, guys. I love the fact that oatmeal is a fiber-rich food that promotes heart health, energy, and weight management. Like I told you guys, we are working on this weight. And I also love the fact that it helps keep me full, for a very long time without reaching for something in between breakfast and lunch. I'm the type of person that, especially days where I have coffee, maybe towards 11-12, I start looking for brunch, and after brunch you have to also look for lunch and your dinner or snack in between. So I have tried as much as possible to limit, just to make sure I'm just focusing on my breakfast, my lunch, and my dinner, and not brunch and also snack. I used to eat like probably 4 to 5 times a day, guys. It's all in little quantities. So of course, since we're working on our weight, on my weight, not our, it all depends on you guys. If you're also working on weight, I know this video is going to be beneficial. But we're going to sit down, enjoy our oatmeal. As you guys saw, I added some milk in a pot, added a little bit of cinnamon, and then my oatmeal, and then I topped it off with some strawberries and blueberries. What's for lunch? Okay, guys, so for lunch we're gonna make a salad bowl, and I love me a good cup salad. I actually never used to be a fan of salads, but ever since I discovered cup salads from my dietitian, I can literally eat it every single day. Cup salad is a hearty dish with chopped greens, topped with lots of proteins like chicken, bacon, hard-boiled eggs, cheese. Oh my goodness, guys, you have to try this after this video. It's packed with a lot of nutrients, and my registered dietitian from Nourish has made thinking of healthy meal options feel like a breeze. The older I'm getting, the more I understand why making healthy life choices, particularly with food, is very, very important. And I'm happy that Nourish has helped me create a personalized nutritional plan that works for my health concerns, helping me create healthier and consistent habits, guys. And Nourish dietitians are trained in medical nutrition therapy. They tailor your care based on your symptoms, your history, and goals, not just a one-size-fits-all. My dietitian actually made me understand that, you know, when it comes to food, guys, you don't have to eat just because you have to eat. You have to eat when you're hungry. And I feel like that is one of the mistakes a lot of us make, including myself, right? Because of the fact that they already made it where you have to. It's like there is breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and you automatically think like, oh my goodness, since, you know, I need to eat breakfast, I need to eat lunch, I need to eat dinner, but you don't have to. You have to work with your body. It's like when you start working with a dietitian, they help you get in tuned with your body so that you listen to your body, basically, guys. You know, I know that for me personally, I now work in a way where if I don't feel hungry for lunch, I skip lunch and I eat dinner, you know. So that's a very, very added plus for me. And the most amazing part is that Nourish work with most insurance, so I get to enjoy the services without thinking of paying out of pocket. Having a consistent long-term health journey has been one of my biggest challenges, and I love that Nourish has provided that for me. You can check out the link in my description box below. I've tried a lot of salads, guys, that I really didn't care for, but you know, this cup salad, this is something you have to try. If you're the type of person that don't like vegetables, guys, or you're not really a fan of you know, salads, oh my goodness, you have to try this. And as you guys saw, all I did was I added some spinach, and also I added some lettuce, and then I have, you know, some carrots, green beans, sweet corn, kidney beans. And you guys, did you see how I made this chicken? Oh my goodness, like ever since I discovered how to make a crispy chicken, guys, oh my goodness, like when you add it to your bowl of salad, it hits the spot. So basically, as you guys can see, I added everything up, added some cheese, and now I added my breaded chicken and also egg. You see this bowl? By the time you go ahead and put in your salad dressing, I mean, I don't even know how to explain it, but yep, definitely try this out. If there is any recipe you want to try from this particular meal prepping, definitely try out this cup salad, because I promise you guys are gonna enjoy it. And of course, before we proceed to dinner, we want to make sure we clear out the dishes, because you don't want to. I'm the type of person that don't like having dishes all over the kitchen when I'm cooking. So of course, I'm going ahead to wash out the dishes I used to cook. I already did my dishes behind the camera for breakfast, and then I just did the dishes for lunch. And of course, I had to go ahead. I actually started editing the video immediately. Like while I was filming, I waited a little bit before dinner time. So with that time, I started to edit this video, guys, and it was looking good. You know, the food was looking nice and delicious, and I was just loving it, guys. So this was kind of a little break I took before then proceeding to head on to make dinner. And guys, today's dinner, we're going to be keeping it very nice, very healthy, very nutritious. We're making brown rice with vegetable sauce and some salmon. And you guys, like I said, your fruits and veggies are very, very important when you're dieting. I wouldn't say I'm like dieting, but you know, like I told you guys, I'm being more conscious of whatever it is that I'm eating. So of course, to make dinner or to meal prep, all you want to do, as you guys saw me do, was to add add my brown rice inside the pot. And the reason I'm now substituting brown rice to white rice is because brown rice is more more healthier than white rice, guys. So we decided to switch at the beginning of the year. We decided to switch out our white rice to brown rice, and honestly there was no much difference. I remember my mom-in-law used to eat brown rice, and whenever I visit, I used to eat brown rice with her, and it wasn't so bad. So I thought about it, and I decided to introduce it to our home. And the kids, we are all loving brown rice at the moment, even though maybe once in a while we eat white rice, but brown rice is what it is at the moment. So as you guys saw, I went ahead, I cut up all my vegetables, my tomato, my peppers, and then I proceeded to season the salmon fish. And over here, we're just going to quickly fry it up, make sure it's nice and crispy. I don't like soft fish. I like to dry out my fish a little bit, before then proceeding to make the sauce. And as you guys can see, with the same oil I used to fry the fish, I just added my onion, my tomato, my pepper, fry it up, season it a little bit, and then we're going to go ahead and cut up our vegetables. For vegetable, I'm using my kale and spinach, and we're just going to add up everything inside the pot. Oh my goodness, guys, this dinner was it was banging. It was so good. Guys, another way you can also try this sauce is to eat it maybe with boiled plantain. I know that boiled plantain, especially like the unripe plantain, oh my goodness, it's filled with a lot of potassium, a lot of calcium. It's so good, guys. So the boiled plantain, it's just that the boiled plantain actually would have been perfect with this sauce right here, but I didn't have unripe plantain. So of course you can substitute. If you're not the type of person that like rice, you can substitute it with unripe plantain, or a plantain that is looking a little, just a tad bit ripe, guys. It's gonna just hit the spot. As you guys can see, the sauce is ready, and that is basically it, you guys. I really do enjoy sharing what I eat in my day type of video with you guys, especially on the healthy side, because you guys know, we are, the older we are getting, the more we have to be more conscious of our food intake, what we are putting into our body. We want to last and stay longer. We don't want to be hit with any illnesses and any diseases. So making sure we keep track of whatever it is we eat is very, very important. But yep, guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Over here, I'm enjoying my dinner. But yeah, guys, please don't forget to hit that like button below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And also don't forget to check out my description box for all things nourish. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.